Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix. As you know that I'm following the pundix for more than a year when I shared this very big bullish butterfly pattern with you that the price action formed on the weekly time frame chart. And let me show you this pattern. And this was the pattern. And I also shared my opinion that based on this pattern, and we also had some other signals as well, the price action of Pundi can hit 1 cent. And this was my video that I shared almost a year ago. You can see 10 months ago. And let me play this chart. Now I'm just going to play this chart, and we can see at that time it was moving at $0.000146. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned very strong bullish, and we had the rally up to $0.0094. That was very close to 1 cent. So in my point of view, the real price of pundix at this time is $9 to $10. As you know that after token redenomination, the new pundix was the starting price of the new pundix was approximately $9, because at that time the NPXS was approximately at $0.0094. That was very close to 1 cent. And now if we convert the 1 cent to the new pundix price, that will be $10. And we can see that the price line of pundix, the new pundix was $9.69, and now at this time it is so much undervalued. And for any kind of big move, first the price line needs to break out this $2 resistance, and I'll show you why this is very important and key level resistance for the price action. And then for a very big move, the price line needs to break out this $9 resistance level as well. And obviously the $10 will be a kind of psychological resistance. First, I want to show you that how the price line of pundix, when the new pundix was introduced, after token redenomination, started forming the different harmonic moves. I have already shared almost 2 or 3 moves with you, and this was the third move, the final move that I've shared on 13th of April, when the price line completed the formation of the bullish cipher pattern on the 4-hour chart. And I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon. If you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description, and you will find a lot of other harmonic and conventional trading ideas there as well. Now here we can see that the price action was just entered in the buying zone of this bullish cipher, and this chart was formed on the 4-hour, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action turned bullish, followed the targets and the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher. Here it has hit this level, then moved down and moved up, and eventually the price line moved down again. Now at this time the price action of pundix, it has broken out this symmetrical triangle that is formed on the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price line, it has retested this previous resistance of the symmetrical triangle as a support. This is a really very big news at this time, because this move can lead to a very big move now, because we have the target of this symmetrical triangle. The technical target of the symmetrical triangle is the $2. If I measure this tail of the triangle up to this support and place it here at the breakout point or at this resistance, then we have the target at $2.04. So we can set our sell target at $2. However, if the price action will start a very powerful bullish rally from here up to $2, then it can start more powerful bullish move, because the $2 is our key level resistance, and I'll show you in this video why it is the key level. Our stop loss can be $1.60, because as per the technical stop loss point of this symmetrical triangle, our recent swing low was this at 1.60. Therefore we can set our stop loss here, and then we can enter in this trade. However, if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, the Ichimoku cloud. I've been sharing this Ichimoku cloud in my every video of the Pundi X, even when it was NPXS and it was breaking out on the weekly time frame chart. It is really very important indicator and gives us the indication of upcoming bearish or bullish trend. Now we can see that at this time the price line is still moving above this bullish cloud. Previously it was turned bearish here, and now the price line is moving above this bullish cloud. And the bullish cloud of Ichimoku is a very good support for the price action. Once it will be turned bearish like it was here, it was bearish, then it can work as a weak support. But however, even in that situation, the price action did not break down this Ichimoku weak cloud or bearish cloud, and at this time we have a very strong support of this Ichimoku bullish cloud. Therefore it can be a really very good support for the next move to the upside. And at the same time, we have received the bull cross by the directional movement index as well. You can see that at this time the blue line, the positive directional index has crossed up the negative directional index. That is a really very good buying signal on the 4-hour chart. And at the same time, we are also having a breakout by this from this symmetrical triangle on this small time period, and we have already received the confirmation as well. You can see that first the price action broke out, retested the previous resistance as a support very well, and now it is moving to the upside. And now I want to show you the different support and resistance levels, and here I will also show you that why this $2 resistance is a very key level for the price action. This is not a support, this is a resistance. Previously it was working as a very good support. Now before this, I want to show you this NPXS chart, and this trade on the Bitrex is halted. But as you know, I've been showing this in my so many previous videos that there is a very strong connection between the movement of the price action and the support and resistance levels of NPXS chart and the Pundi X chart as well. Where the price action previously found as resistance or support, the Pundi X exactly at those levels found the resistance and the supports as well. For example, here we can see that previously this $0.002 level was breaking as a very good support for the price action of Pundi X. And first, if we take a look at this level, where the price action was rejected first time at $0.002 and moved up after this rejection, the price action again moved at this level, and for a very long time period the price at this level, the $0.002, has been working as a very good support for the price action of NPXS. And now if we switch to the new Pundi X token chart, then we can see that previously, after the token redenomination here, the price action when moved down, this $2 support level worked as a very strong support for the price action. And you can see that after taking bounce, the price action moved up, rejected by the $3.5 resistance level, and on NPXS chart that was at 0.0035 resistance level. And after this rejection, the price action again moved here. For some time, the $2 level worked as a very good support, but finally the price action moved down when we had a very drastic drop in overall the crypto market, and the BTC was also moving down on 19th of May, and the price action broke down this $2 resistance and support, and now you can see it is breaking as a resistance again and again, and the price line is still moving below this key level resistance. Therefore, I'm calling it as a key level resistance. We have seen that it has been breaking for the long time as a support and as a resistance here on the NPXS chart, the $0.002, and here for several times it has been breaking as a resistance and as a support as well. Therefore, once this resistance will be broken out, then all other resistance are not as that much powerful as we have this $2 resistance. Yes, this $3.5 resistance will be also very strong. We can see that so many times it has been breaking as a resistance, and the price action was rejected by this resistance level. And for a very big move, we need to move back to this real price of the pundix, that is $9. And at this time we can see that we are so much undervalued, and it needs to move back to this real position, real price of the pundix, that is $9, and then it needs to cross the $10 psychological resistance as well. So these are the really very important movements for the pundix, as it has already broken out this symmetrical triangle, and our next target can be $2. And in case the price line will break out this $2, we can have another bullish move to the upside. Therefore, if you want to buy pundix, this is the right time to buy the pundix. As you can see that we are already moved above the breakout point. That is another confirmation. The first confirmation was the retesting of this breakout point, and we are moved above this breakout point. That is the highest price of this candlestick. Now the price line is moving above that price level. That is another confirmation. So this is the right time to buy the pundix. And if you are already in the pundix, you have already bought it, then you should hold your pundix, and you can also use this level, that is $1.60 as your stop loss, and wait and see where the price action can move. As we have already seen that the BTC has broken out the resistance on the 4-hour chart of the symmetrical triangle, and on the daily time frame chart it is also breaking out that resistance. And with the BTC, the pundix can be also moved up. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.